Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to write a store procedure in SQL using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is one of the fastest growing technology in recent past. So companies are using this ChatGPT, which is the artificial intelligence tool for developing the content and all these things. So in case of SQL, it is also useful by using ChatGPT in different ways in SQL for developers. So for the beginners, when they confused and when they feel uncomfortable regarding SQL syntax while writing the SQL queries, it is challenging. ChatGPT can help by turning natural language requests into the SQL queries. So this is very much useful for the beginners and for experienced developers. You can find that formulating the complex SQL queries and involving multiple tables with conditions. So this ChatGPT can speed up the process by generating the query skeletons and complete the queries based on their task. So this also reduces the chances of syntax errors. So by using the syntax errors, ChatGPT can also help debug the SQL queries to correct the syntax errors. So by providing possible solutions or explanations as per our requirement, so that it can also improve the optimize your query for better performance. So these are various advantages by using the ChatGPT. So this ChatGPT, which is an artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI, so it is came into the market at the end of the December and 2022. So now slowly it is getting popular. Now in this demo, I want to show how to write a store procedure in SQL by using this ChatGPT artificial intelligence tool. So my logic is here. Just I am writing logic here. Write store procedure to get count of employees on gender basis, count of employees on gender basis from employee table. Please include at gender as input parameter. Input parameter in store procedure. First, before going to implement the logic in ChatGPT, first you write your logic in a notepad or in any text format. Now here I am writing write a store procedure to get count of employees on gender basis. So suppose there is an employee table where we include the data, including the ID and name and gender also included. So based on this gender, I want the chat GPT. I asked the chat GPT to create store procedure to get the record count from the table of the employees table. So I asked the chat GPT to include gender as input parameter. So this is my logic. Just copy your entire logic and go to this is the chat GPT. After you like you observe send message is there. So if you paste your entire logic in this send message and just click OK or send message, you click this button. So first it will read the logic. After that it will create the it is in certainly there is an example in store procedure for retrieves the count of employees based on gender and this is my request. So it is generating the code. See here, create procedure, get employee count by gender is the name of the procedure. So I asked ChatGPT to add the at gender as input parameter. So it is taking at gender varchar data type as begin. See, it is also following the performance tuning while writing the stored procedure. Set no count is one of the tuning performance of the stored procedure when your stored procedure is getting delayed while executing. So it is including this set no count on and writing the logic here. Set count as is the alias name. So this is the alias name from employee table. We already mentioned to write employee table. So it will mention the employee table where gender is equal to at gender. At gender is the input. So this is the creation of the stored procedure code. It gives the description as well here. Uh, Procedure name, this is the stored procedure name. Gender is the parameter with data type. So all these things. In the inside of the procedure, we enable set no count option to suppress the extra count across affected. So uh, everything in the descriptive format after getting your query code below. So this is the statement. This is pure explanation of the GPT of the code. After that, so how to execute the code also it is giving. Execute employee get employee count by gender where input parameter is equal to male. So if you want to change this male to female, you just pass the value female and execute. You can get the how many female employees are there in the table. So like this way, the chat GPT is useful to you in writing the queries and also in debugging your syntax at the time of the while writing the code in your MS SQL Server or MySQL command prompt. Hope this video helpful and very useful to you how to use the ChatGPT for writing the SQL queries. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.